Hello YouTube, pumpkin is the queen of autumn. What health problems can this vegetable save from? The nutritionist told why this bright vegetable must be on the table during the autumn-winter period. Pumpkin is the queen of autumn. That is what this miracle vegetable is called. Yellow-orange varieties of pumpkins are on par with carrots in terms of beta-carotene content. Beta-carotene, turning into vitamin A in the body, not only maintains vision and immune responses at the proper level, but is also the best natural antioxidant that protects the body from aggressive environmental influences. And most importantly, it suppresses the processes of cell transformation into malignant ones, that is, cancer prevention. Pumpkin is one of the champions among vegetables in terms of the amount of iron. In addition, it contains a lot of copper and phosphorus salts, which also have a beneficial effect on blood formation. Therefore, pumpkin dishes are a unique remedy for preventing iron deficiency anemia. The combination of biologically active substances contained in pumpkin helps to remove cholesterol from the body and improves water salt metabolism, so pumpkin is an excellent helper for uninterrupted and unburdened heart function. Pumpkin, rich in pectins that improve bowel function in case of constipation. To avoid digestive problems, complement your regular menu with a side dish of baked or boiled pumpkin. Pumpkin seeds contain zinc and cucurbitacin, which are beneficial for every man and important for teenagers as they are involved in the process of puberty. Also, pumpkin seeds are considered an excellent antiemetic. And what wonderful porridge, casseroles, pancakes, soups, pancakes, dumplings and many other dishes come out of pumpkin. The last argument in favor of the pumpkin is its orange color. Uplifting, carved pumpkin faces cause a smile. So, it is especially important in the autumn-winter period to introduce pumpkin into our healthy diet. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.